Okay, here's another type of word problem that you're going to encounter in this course. This one says that Kendra needs to buy some coffee from the local coffee shop. Dark roast coffee is $3 per pound. Light roast coffee is $5 per pound. Kendra only has $25 to spend, but needs to buy at least 6 pounds of coffee. So the first question says, write a system of inequalities that represent this situation. So the first thing I want you to notice is it has the word inequalities right in the directions. So you're not going to write equations, you're going to write inequalities. And inequalities have greater than, less than, those types of things. All right, so let's start by writing our let statements. Just like I said, we need to define some variables. So it looks like she's buying coffee. We know the cost, but we don't know how much she's going to buy. So that's going to be our variable. So we're going to we'll go with D be amount of dark roast. And we're going to let L, I'm going to use R actually, because L is kind of hard to see. This will be the amount of light roast. Okay, so here's our situation. She has $25 to spend. So if she spends $3 per pound on the dark roast, and she spends $5 per pound on the light roast, and she only has $25 to spend, then that means that I want the amount that she pays. This is the total cost, right? $3 per pound times the number of pounds of dark roast, $5 per pound times the number of pounds of light roast. Add those together. That's my total cost. That total cost has to be less than or equal to $25 because that's all she has. But she needs to buy at least 6 pounds of coffee. At least means greater than or equal to. At least. If you need to be at least 5 feet tall to ride this roller coaster, then that means you need to be 5 feet tall or more. So the term at least means greater than or equal to. So now I've got my system. Now I'm not going to ask you to solve this system, but what I am going to ask you to do is determine a combination of pounds of coffee that allow Kendra to satisfy both her requirements. So what we need to do is we need to figure out an amount, and there's multiple answers to this. It's not just one answer. We need to figure out an amount of dark roast and light roast that if you put them together, it'll be less than or equal to $25, but it will be greater than or equal to 6 pounds. So what if we did, so the dark roast is the cheaper, so let's do more of that. So what if we did like, here's an example. This would be an example response because you may have something a little bit different. I'm going to do 4 pounds of the dark roast and 2 pounds of the light roast. Now this may not be perfect. I think it is, but let's find out. After you answer, all you got to do is check it. If I do $3 times 4 pounds of dark roast, and I do $5 times 2 pounds of light roast, is that less than or equal to $25? Well, 3 times 4 is 12, 5 times 2 is 10. Is that less than 25? Yes, it is. She's only going to spend $22. So that requirement is satisfied. Then 4 pounds plus 2 pounds, we need that to be greater than or equal to 6. Well, it turns out it's exactly equal to 6. So that also works. So like I said, that's not the only possible answer. You could have come up with other combinations that will work, but you need to come up with at least one in these types of questions and make sure you answer the question. Notice I didn't skip any steps. I'm still going to define my variables, write my system, answer the question.